Dear Saint Louis, Mary de Montfort, please pray with me to God to grant me the grace to be a true Montfortian, faithful in my duties at all times, striving always for the highest standard in behavior, sports, and academic performance. Give me the love to be a caring person, helpful to all, especially to the poor, the weak, and the disadvantaged. Imbue me with the courage to face and overcome all difficulties and hardships, and the wisdom to distinguish right from wrong. Sustain me in all my endeavors, that I may uphold the school motto, read today, live tomorrow, to my alma mater and my country. Amen.
Glory to thee, Montfort, the loving preacher of Jesus' cross and Mary's rosary. The love of God and of His Holy Mother, both in thy heart found a fair century. The early thoughts of Montfort were for Mary, and in her love he grew ever more strong. Her virtues were he and thee, were to copy to her sister, he decided to belong. Glory to thee, Montfort, the loving preacher of Jesus' cross and Mary's rosary. The love of God and of His Holy Mother, both in their heart found a fair century. Both in their heart found a fair century.
Happy morning. Pray the rosary to convert the most hardened sinner and most obstinate hearts. It is a famous quoting of our founder, Saint Montfort. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Let Montfort fly high.
Pray with great confidence, with the confidence based on the goodness and infinite generosity of God and upon the promise of Jesus Christ. God is a spring of living water which flows unceasingly into the hearts of those who pray. A famous quote by Saint Montfort. Happy morning to one and all present here. Respected Principal, Reverend Brother Jesus, respected Brother Joe Moisen, dear colleagues, and my dear children. Our founder, Saint Montfort, always gave importance for prayer in his life. By reading his biographies of different persons, we'll come to know about the importance of prayer in Montfort's life. As all of us know, Montfort was beloved child of Mary and Jesus in a spiritual realm. So, from his childhood onwards, he placed his trust in Mother Mary and praying to her all the time. And here, he used to pray hours together in front of the statue of Mother Mary motionless. Here I would like to quote few incidents where we see Montfort spend his time in prayer. He learned to be devoted to Jesus and Mother Mary from his mother, Jean Robert. She too was a devoted lady and she taught Montfort to pray and to love to God with all his soul. Apart from his mother, Montfort's close relatives also were religious priests and nuns. He drew inspiration from them and developed his love for Jesus and Mother Mary with a full mind. He also taught his siblings to have love for Jesus and Mother Mary through his catechism classes. In one incident, he told his younger sister, if you pray rosary, you will become beautiful and all will love you. From young age onwards, Montfort completely got up by web of prayer and devotion to Jesus and Mary, which led him to be a great saint. Even Saint Montfort, after his ordination to priesthood, he spent complete a week in a prayer and reflection, and then only he celebrated his first Holy Mass as a priest. His biographer says that he could see the angel celebrating a Mass at the altar. Such was a vision of Montfort in his first Holy Mass. From here, wherever he went, he spread love and devotion to Jesus and Mary and always spoke about Mother Mary in all his missions, talks and seminars, and he did a lot to spread the love of Mother Mary to everyone through his prayer and service to God and humanity. From his biographies, we too read that he used to kneel down hours together, motionless, in front of the statue of Mother Mary and pray. So the prayer played an important role in his life. Wherever he went, and he preached to people also to make the prayer the prime and important event of daily life. Dear students, we are privileged to have such a great man as our founder, who devoted his in prayer and service to God men. We also called to follow his footsteps as faithful follower of Jesus through Mary. Let our motto as be like St. Montfort's God alone. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Let Montfort fly high.